Kimchi pork belly cheese fries. Let's get it. First, peel your potatoes, Jose Canseco. Now rinse it off and get to slicing. I want to bang Barbara Streisand.
Hey, half the people at this table have penises.
Time to fry, my guys. Fries in, dry skin. No Sarah V. Let's slice and dice the pork belly, Freddy. That pork hard like it was fresh off of X Video's beat-off session. No rock and no paper. It's time to scissor the kimchi, ladies. Pork belly into the pan, man. Kimchi 2, Kim Jong-un. We going real Korean with the gochujang. Now get to mixing. Quit picking your dick skin. Let's add some chicken powder for more flavor, hater. Some sugar. I'd pick you first if you were a booger. Kikkoman soy sauce. It's getting real Japanese in here. No Pearl Harbor. Now get to mixing again. Quit picking your dick skin, my friend. Out with the fries and onto a paper plate. Because we a bunch of lazies, Tom Brady. Time for the cheese sauce like a boss. Add butter, mother lover. Flour next. In my nose. Pot. And get to stirring. I want to bang Miranda Kerr in them.
Yes.
That's 100% grade A Cambodian breast milk. Straight from the Bronx.
Y'all gotta walk uptown to the Bronx and get breast milk from a Cambodian immigrant. I only drink the finest breast milks.
Now add your choice of cheese, you tease. We using jalapenos mozzarella, fella. With a pinch of salted taste, mace. And get to mixing. Quit picking your dick skin. Time to assemble. Meat on like a dirty thong in the Japanese bukkake mayo. Better not tell your girlfriends what that means. That's trouble on a double. Green onion. They should make green onion funyuns. I'm just saying. That don't look like cheese. That looks like these. Go ahead and finish the line in the comments. Seaweed for the top off like a Mardi Gras. And some sesame seeds for the finishing touch, Hilary Duff. Don't that look yum, you dumbs? Now put it in your mouth, hungry boy. New invention right here that wifey created yesterday. It's pork belly
kimchi
fries. Instead of fully loaded steak fries, we got fully loaded Korean style pork belly fries.
Or instead of kimchi fried rice, you replace the rice with fries.
Yeah, and shit. We tried it yesterday. It was fire. Smack.
Somebody doubted me.
I doubted her. I didn't think it was gonna be good, but ooh, it was good. So
You have to get everything in one bite.
everything in one bite, she says. But today we tried something a little different though. We melted the cheese. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
Let's get it. Mmm. Oh, that's fire. Smack.
The cheese look kind of funny, but it's good.
It's good. It's really good. What is this? Mozzarella cheese or
Jalapeno mozzarella.
jalapeno? Jalapenos mozzarella. So if y'all think this recipe right here is good, give it a like. And if you guys don't think it'll be good, comment and say, no way, bro. No way, bro. But if I could, I'll give it a double thumbs up. Yeah, look, I'm gonna show y'all right now. Look. Y'all see that? Bam! Regular ass cheeseburger. Didn't want to do too much today. Just a little bit of ketchup, mustard, you know what I mean? That's it. Little American J's. It's good. I didn't brush my teeth, shower, nothing.
Cheers.
Oh well, go to hell. And what kind of burger you got, bet?
I have a single patty with American cheese and what's that other cheese?
Parmesan. Mozzarella? Oh, pepper jack.
Yeah.
Pepper jack.
With
Cheers.
barbecue and onion.
Plain is the way today. We're going too ham. Too ham on food lately. There's no buenos. We ain't trying to take too much of y'all time. So we're gonna wrap this up for y'all.
That's so bad.
Y'all should definitely try it though.
Try it.
Y'all should definitely try it. If Y'all don't like it?
You'll like it.
You'll like it. If you love Korean food, this is like a new blend and twist of Korean food right here.
Fusion.
I ain't never seen nobody did this before. This is my first time. And if whoever created this first, shout out to y'all. But right now, shout outs to the wife because she created this. Cheers. Cheers to y'all. We out.